If food could say I love you, this would be it. These are Marry Me Chicken Heart Tarts, the perfect Valentine's Day dinner for two. And if you love easy, impressive recipes like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. We're starting with 1 chicken breast diced into 1/2-inch cubes. Pan fry the chicken until it's golden and beautifully caramelized. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Add minced garlic, about 1/2 tablespoon, and let those flavors bloom. Now stir in sun-dried tomatoes, followed by 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Add 1/3 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and let the sauce turn creamy and rich. Lightly press a 3-inch heart cutter onto the puff pastry to create 4 outlines. Don't cut through, these are just guides. Place the second pastry sheet on top, then gently press around the filling to remove any air pockets and seal everything in. Brush with egg wash made from 2 egg yolks, then bake at 370 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes until puffed and golden. Golden, flaky, creamy, and packed with flavor. These Marry Me Chicken Heart Tarts are guaranteed to impress. If you're cooking for someone special this Valentine's Day, check the link in the description for the full written recipe.